Are you looking for the best torquey wrenches of 2025? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, this video will break down the top choices, comparing accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Stay tuned to find out which torquey wrench truly stands out. Number 1. EPAuto Click Torque Wrench. This is an affordable and reliable option for home mechanics. With a maximum torque of 150 pound-feet on the 1/2-inch driver model, it covers most DIY automotive needs. The click is loud and noticeable, ensuring you know when the correct torque is reached. Some users found the torque adjustment stiff, but the handle screw helps fine-tune it. Many praised its accuracy, with one reviewer even providing photo proof. The short handle can make torquing lug nuts more difficult, so if that's a frequent task, a longer-handled wrench may be better. Another downside is the lightly marked torque settings, which can fade if exposed to brake cleaner. For occasional use, the EPAuto Click Torque Wrench is a solid budget-friendly choice. Number 2. Lexivon Click Torque Wrench. It stands out for its high-contrast black finish and yellow markings, making it easy to read, even in low-light conditions. With a 1/2-inch driver and a maximum torque of 250 pound-feet, this wrench is well-suited for heavy-duty tasks, including trailer hitches. A 3/8-inch driver version is also available for smaller engine bolts. The ratchet works in both directions, though torque is only measured clockwise. Some users reported the black finish scraping off easily and occasional calibration inconsistencies. However, customer service is responsive, and the 1-year warranty can be extended to 2 years with online registration. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand 1099 XPA 1/2-inch air ratchet wrench. This is a durable and powerful tool that has received overwhelmingly positive reviews. Delivering 76 foot-pounds of torque, it feels sturdy and well-built, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty tasks. It features a variable speed trigger, allowing for precise control, but some users noted that the trigger can feel stiff. While this wrench is built to last, it may require some effort to use for extended periods due to its strength and weight. If you need a rugged air-powered torque wrench that can handle demanding jobs, the Ingersoll Rand ratchet wrench is a solid investment, but be prepared for a bit of a workout when using it. Number 4. eTORK Click-Style Electronic Torque Wrench. This is a digital tool that provides precise torque readings, offering either a click or a head loosening indication once the set torque is reached. Ideal for those working with both imperial and metric measurements, the eTORK easily switches between the two. Reviewers have praised its accuracy, with many noting that it outperforms similar models. It also comes with a certification of calibration for added confidence. The wrench features bi-directional torque measurement, a lighted LED display, and includes a hard case for storage. With a lifetime warranty after registration and a repair or replace option for the first year, the eTORK is considered great value for those seeking extra quality at a reasonable price. Number 5. Tekton Click Torque Wrench. This is ideal for those needing a slightly longer handle, 26 inches, especially for tasks like torquing lug nuts on tires. Reviewers appreciate the added leverage, though some note that the click is harder to hear at lower torque settings. Higher settings, like those used for lug nuts, provide a more reliable cue. A few users had issues with the markings for settings, which led to inaccurate torque and even sheared bolts. One reviewer mentioned that the measurements didn't align as expected, potentially causing over-torquing and damage. However, many appreciated the extra instructional info, including an exploded view diagram and a QR code linking to a video tutorial. So, which is the best? After considering all factors, the eTORK Click-Style Electronic Torque Wrench takes the win for its precision and tech features. making it perfect for those who demand accuracy with every turn. Thanks for watching.